Meeting is being recorded.
When will you get your manifestation? Something along these lines. I think Karen's going to ask me today. Karen is wonderful in asking me. I hope I'm not too shabby answering. So, Karen, what do you have for us today?
Okay, I want to know is when will it happen for me? Are there signs?
Are there signs? So first of all, I have a big
Mm.
theme this week about signs. And I'm actually, sort of annoyed with a lot of you, and I'll tell you why. Because you have so many signs every week, every day that you're getting what you want, and you're like, nah, totally not seeing it, totally disregarding it, just bitching, moaning, whining, famous BMW method. Like, I'm not getting anything, Yana. How is it possible? It's supposed to be easy. And Yana's like, did you see this? Did you see that? Did you hear this word? Yeah. Well, you're manifesting. How come that after 700 something videos I made on YouTube, you still do not know that you're manifesting? It's called the movement, people. Yeah. You see moves all the time. And it's fantastic because I just had a session yesterday with a client and like, Yana. And this is how she entered the session. Yana, I've been praying to have another big breakthrough because, I'm tired, I'm fed up. Like, yeah, why are you tired and fed up? Well, I've been doing the right things for a whole week. And I'm like, hold on, so you've been doing the wrong stuff for 6 decades, and now you've been doing it for a whole week and you're not getting everything you want. So that's, people, you're undoing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decades of shit, and you expect everything to be undone in one week. Good luck with that. Um, then after half an hour, yeah, I did get amazing sleep. I never get a sleep ever, and I got 9 hours. That's a miracle. And you couldn't enter the session with that. Instead of I never manifest anything. And then, yeah, I really want a garage door. And she's lovely. She's amazing. I really want garage door, and I don't know how I'm gonna get it. Yesterday, a leaflet came through the door and it showed the exact garage door I want, and I don't know what to do about it. And I'm like, well, what you should do is watch my videos on birds, birds before landing, because people. When my client saw the exact door she wanted for her garage, it was like you're manifesting, there's movement, it's coming to you. We're literally delivering to your door personally, sign that it's yours and it's coming to you. We've literally done that. There's a movement. It's coming to you and you're still bitching, moaning, and whining. Instead of, Yana, I'm getting signs left, right, and center that I'm getting this and this and that. Just like when you want to get pregnant and you see babies everywhere. When you want to get married, you see weddings and wedding dresses everywhere and rings. When you want to get engaged, you see engagement parties everywhere. When you want a new car, you see new advertisings about any new car and your car in front of you and parked behind you, and those are all signs that you're within the field of having these things. Do you not realize that? Do you not realize that when you see what you want, someone else having it, or in TV, or on TikTok, or on anywhere else, that it's universe sending you a sign, it's coming. We are doing this especially for you, so you can see that it's coming. It's called movement. And you see this so many times a day, but you're capable to come and talk to me and say, nothing ever happens, Yana. I'm so fed up. When will I get results?
So when you see those signs, it's like a reflection of your thoughts,
Yes,
right?
you're sending, I want to get married, and you see a wedding. The universe is reflecting you. Yes, you're getting married. Just hanging there. We're sending it your ways. We're showing it to you. You're reflecting your thoughts. The reality is reflecting exactly what you want, which means that the field is active. You're getting what you want, and you're still, nya, 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 nya. And the universe is like, I'm gonna shoot myself. I don't know how to deal with this. I personally get someone to send it, push it through the door, and still get bitching. Yeah. It's just like, it's either vodka bar or shooting because I don't know what to do anymore.
Um, could it be that the person who receives the message doesn't see it because they're not ready?
Doesn't see it because, no, not necessarily. No, I don't think so. That would be a bit limiting for my taste.
Hmm. Hmm.
I think they don't see it because they haven't learned step one of great manifestation, which is pay attention.
Hmm.
See, hear, listen, watch.
Hmm.
There's signs all over the place for you, and you're not making the best out of them. Like I literally ask for something big and said, universe, I know I have it. You don't need to. I don't need to see the sign, but entertain me. Send me a sign. It's done. I get, I overtake some cars, get behind a little van, which has the company name is Granted, and it has the initials of the person I wanted to do something with in the license, number license or number plate with the words, yes, do. And I'm like, okay, it's done. It's definitely done. And I see these signs hundreds of times a day. But I trained myself from, yeah, it's a nice weather, oblivious to everything, to sign, 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 sign. I see this, it means something. Hear this, it means something. Oh my God, they're confirming I'm getting this, getting this, getting this, getting this, getting. Oh my God, I'm getting it all. This is so cool.
So the fact that you acknowledge the sign, does it make it closer and it makes it more real in your environment, right?
Yeah, it's like, yeah, I got this. Because you
Hmm.
maybe are human, you may be sad or like, like very sad. So that would be nice. And they're trying to calm your house like, it's on the way, it's on the way, it's on the way. Look, it's on the way. Banner, van, TV advertising, newspaper saying, yes, you got it. Well, if someone says, yes, you got it, and your question is, will I ever have it? What do you think? Do you not think it's a sign? They're trying to answer your question in a visible way. Yes, they are. And you should be like, cool, got it. Next. I can sleep better. I can feel uplifted. Everything's okay in my world because whatever you believe in, universe, angels, whatever, are sending me a message or reality is reflecting back to me that I asked, will I ever get it? And they said, yeah, granted, or yes, you got this, or whatever. I can breathe now. That's what signs are for, and they're everywhere around you. Every time you want money and you see a luxurious car, it's a universe sending you a sign that it's around the corner. And then when you know it's around the corner, because you can recognize the signs and you keep saying, yes, I want this, yes, this is for me, yes, this is for me, yes, this is for me. You stay in your lane, it has to happen. But when you're questioning it, is it for me? Was that a sign? Is it ever going to happen for me? You entered this lane's canceled, and you're not getting a thing. So, is it a yes or is it a no? You need to decide because you will start interpreting everything as a sign of yes, or just go home and find a job because I don't know how else to help you. It's really easy. I've decided I'm gonna manifest money, love, babies, marriage, lots of whatever you like, abundance of anything. Yes, I got it. Nothing can convince me otherwise. Is it a sign? Yana, do you think it could be a sign? Do you think, Yana, I got it? How long is it gonna take? When is it gonna happen? How's it gonna happen? Does manifesting actually exist? Has it been proven? Questions don't deliver. Extreme self-confidence, extreme JR self-confidence delivers.
Yeah.
Cool? Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. That answers the question. Thank you.
Okay. Fantastic people. I think this was a very important question from Karen, and I think you all needed to hear this. I hope we cheered you up. I'm going to have a free webinar on do you want to be a millionaire? And you're not one because you have income ceiling. You want to break that. You don't know why you have that. You want to deal with it. Free webinar. Sign up for it in the description of a video. There's more links to working with me. You can do that now, and we'll see you at the next video. Ciao for now.
Perfect. Bye.